Hey everyone! In 2026, Google's algorithm cares more about activity and relevance than ever before. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps to optimize your profile and climb to the top of the search result. Step 1. Audit your primary category. The biggest ranking factor is your primary category. Go to your profile and ensure your main category is as specific as possible. Let's say if you're a personal injury lawyer, don't just put lawyer. Also, for the pro tip, you can look at the top 3 competitors in your area and see which subcategories they are using. Add those as your secondary categories to cast a wider net. Step 2. Keyword optimize your service. Google reads your services list to understand what you do. Don't just list the name of the service. Add a 300-word description for every single service you offer. Sprinkle in local keywords, like the name of your city or neighborhood, to tell Google exactly where you operate. Step 3. The review velocity strategy. It's not just about having 5 stars, it's about velocity, or how often you get new ones. Aim for at least 2 to 3 new reviews every week, because one of the crucial steps is when you reply to reviews, include your keywords. If a customer mentions like great plumbing service, reply with thanks, we love providing the best plumbing service in your city name. This boosts your local relevance. Step 4. Use Google updates like social media. Google rewards active profiles. Post at least 2 updates per week. Use high-quality original photos of your team or your work. In 2026, Google's AI analyzes the object in your photo to confirm you actually do what you say you do. Avoid stock photos at all costs. Step 5. Fix your local citations. Your NAP, aka name, address, phone number, must be identical across the entire web. Check your website or Facebook pages. If one says street and the other says ST, it confuses Google's algorithm. Use a tool like Bright Local or WhiteSpark to find and fix any inconsistent mentions of your business online. So consistency is the key to winning the local SEO game. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.